the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what Mankind, and the other names. The Dini the Bebre, and this be what matter count. You know, say this word where we dey inside, especially the shorties, no. Then some people where them did this word inside, no. They make up their mind say, damn no, pa there. Say they go take money buy them something, give them myself, no. You know what happen? This thing they happen very well for the shorties in them aside. Shorties where them come, no, they don't want to take them money buy something. Then they depend on them boyfriends, say make them buy something what give them. The young way can be say some Legon shorty be where your mommy them puppy take and go school say make she go learn. Then can't spy them. No. It tell like the shorty need to date 2 boys. It be normal thing. It be in life. You get one for school, where you sound get one for house. Where you tell like you say right now no, iPhone Pro 11, you come. That phone where you go on the things where you say if you don't get money the iPhone not venture say you don't go buy the iPhone song. If people where they get money, where they invest, people where they work hard, where they get money, where they go, they feel buy them phone. But this shorty where she they learn for school, where she know the job, you know, she don't want use them kind phone song. So it's like you talk all your boyfriends, you know, the one where you dey house, you know, where 1 2 where you dey school, no talk them say they want phone. Where both of them no talk say Charlie, them are budgets, you know, reach that level say they go fit buy the new iPhone where you can where it be iPhone 11 Pro, no. They say them are budget no reach there. Where the shot they tap, where you talk say if them they don't go fit afford there. If you get someone where you go fit what buy the phone, what give them. Where you tell like this shot you no go get what some big man be where you get money. Where you I don't know what the man you no go fit buy for your life inside. Where you tell like the shot you know they do our shop like the man no, make the man no buy the what the phone no give them. Where you tell like the chat need leak. The way the chat need leak be say the shot you need in boyfriend with them then you tell like you do the boy if you take the shot you need in phone. You say them the mirror I don't know say bureau relationship then thing. But the boy need take the girl in phone. Boyfriend where he take school no, he take the boy in the girl in phone for school where tell like they reach out. Where you see say the shot you know get some bro where they want make the shot you know make you they want the person to buy the iPhone no do what give them. Where the chat no pop up. The chat you know it did the screen top. Make I reach small of the chat no show you. Then you go know what the one shot is you know. Where them mommy them papi need take them go school say make them go learn. What they do plus them life so called phone. Make I read the chat. The shot they need test the man on hi. Where the man no reply still hi. Where he said this is OJ. It about this build the shot in the bell OJ. Where he say okay sure about the phone. It tell like he told the man know the man them thing. Where he say talk say about the phone. Where the man no talk say no. Where he tell like the shot in reply I want iPhone Pro. Nothing else. That be what the shot you need talk the man. No tell like he thought the man need phone where she they want. Where he shall see so the phone no, say iPhone what? iPhone 11 Pro. Where the man talk say I got you. He's a big man where they get money where they don't know what they take their money do. Where plenty houses where he did the word inside no. I don't know say they sell or finish. They don't know what they take the money do no. He thought the shot and he say I get you. He be them now when they spot the shot this no. Show this way they learn. Why they buy them that phone? They go be lazy. So plenty show this way them day the street up no. They want to take them a hand or them a brain to do something. They want to take them a meat pie and get everything for this life inside. Where that thing need to know is either you go sick or it's either something terrible go happen for your life inside where you no go feel break down. If you true say sickness day this world inside though, we don't know when we go sick. But certain things where you do no feel attract the sickness no very high. This man where you they talk and say make you buy this phone give you no. You don't know the man no is sex history. Maybe if something the man need to do or something, whether the man marry or no marry, but say for phone. If the man no talk you say make you do something, make we continue the chat. The man will see say your man will talk something. Where the man no talk say that means the man no talk say I got you. No. Where the shot you say can you get me that? Where the man say where say the man the shot you talk say so what is stopping you? It's like the man no bring the something yet. Where the boy no the man no talk say I have a boyfriend no, I don't want to ask them because they don't have money. I say hey Charlie, you know be easy. The chat on there he bunch I will do some. You did a screen top, you go feel read them thing. This world where we did inside, you be sure there. One assistance on input for listening to me. If you be sure where you come topper, this luxury things where you did this one, it be enjoyable. You did your ref inside, it be the whole expensive for now, it be, but it be gradual process where you for pass through. It about this your teeth. If this your teeth they worry you, where you first say you go come out time, it be blood where it come out for inside the camp. If you relax them work hard, if you know something, take your life, give something where you want to do. They made a something they come. If you know they do anything, this one can you do school cry. If you get normal phone, you go fit take learn. Then thing you come out then you set job. It be hard say Ghana here. One of our fathers anyway them they high seat in the politician. They need the help with. But you go fit tap then set your life and say they want to do something give your life. Hairdressing day, you go fit go say you go do hair and things. Tailoring day and things. If you God where they bless man, if you depend on man there, what will they take get one eyes and where we are stressed up, we need to say we go chop your meat pie. No matter what we do, where we get money, where we get stress inside that, we will give you the money you need and chop the meat pie. So you be sure there, if you make your mind what for day. If you make your mind day, because this world now there, plenty things where we did this world now. It be what unimaginable things where day in and day out things they happen. This be the matter where you what it can't weigh me flambo. I do my mind say if I can't talk you what if people. If you go feel leave your comment, I talk plenty. You leave your comment, anything be away you want talk, any advice be no. Talk for the comment what inside come on. You finish you go social media platforms you go feel like they share one of videos. It be what too much what GH. I love you from the back of my heart. Bah! Prayer always do what? Work.
Yo. Too much GH near Ghana for Asher for Etie for Onipa bi a won subscribe too much GH no subscribe or na ehintasem ensema ebuafa on my Ghana so ena ye de bremu one God in ye the only one God in GH eho na de bia mehwe abroche for any Ghana for mo mo wiasa fa na me recommend emamo too much GH.
Too much GH. Me did akose Japan. E prepare am bese me TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Mo ko so show mo. No anybody dey bia. Me that say love you.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone. But you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH. And you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Too Much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Me dey the Isaac Odwampo, we betun afem the great tempo, mbrenbren. Won me kan woni ehwe Too Much GH. Too Much GH, mo ye too much. Na me so me ye amo fire.